Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing exactly what you want removed. Click a cell or drag to select a range, and use Shift or Control/CMD to adjust multiple areas. Once selected, consider whether you only need to clear values and formatting or delete entire rows, columns, or a sheet. This choice determines the next menu option. Make sure to check frozen rows or protected ranges now, because they change which delete commands are available and prevent unwanted loss. You can clear content fast or remove structure depending on the action. Press Delete to remove values but keep formulas or formatting if you prefer. For structural removal, right-click the row or column header and choose Delete, or use the Edit menu and pick Delete rows/columns. When deleting a sheet, use the Sheet tab menu and confirm to proceed. Once done, remember Control or CMD plus Z undoes deletions instantly. Use that immediately if you change your mind. You finish by confirming any prompts and verifying the sheet behaves as expected. If you deleted rows or a sheet, open File Version History to view and restore a prior version, which recovers lost data reliably. Make sure to protect important ranges or set sharing permissions to prevent repeat mistakes. If something goes wrong and version history is missing the change, check the trash in Google Drive for deleted files or contact collaborators before making further edits.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.